Indoor plants that thrive in low light bring natural charm and freshness to shaded spaces. They grow well with little sunlight, making them perfect for homes and offices. These easy-care greens enhance indoor beauty and air quality. Let's take a quick look at the best indoor plants that need minimal sunlight. Pothos Epipremnum aureum, also known as money plant, is a popular indoor vine admired for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves in shades of green, yellow, or white. It thrives in low to bright indirect light, making it ideal for homes and offices. This hardy plant purifies the air, grows well in soil or water, and requires minimal maintenance. Its trailing vines add a lush, decorative touch to shelves or hanging baskets, symbolizing prosperity and positive energy indoors. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum, is a charming indoor plant known for its arrow-shaped leaves that change form as it matures. Its foliage comes in beautiful shades of green, cream, and pink, adding elegance to any room. Thriving in low to medium indirect light, it's easy to grow and maintain. The plant prefers slightly moist soil and moderate humidity, making it perfect for indoor spaces. Its compact growth and air-purifying qualities make it a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. Heartleaf philodendron, Philodendron hedraceum, is a versatile indoor plant known for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and trailing vines. It thrives in low to medium light, making it perfect for indoor spaces with limited sunlight. This low-maintenance plant requires minimal watering and adapts well to various indoor conditions, purifying the air as it grows. Its ability to flourish in shaded corners and hang from shelves or pots makes it both decorative and practical. Ideal for beginners and busy plant lovers. Rake's begonia vine, Cissus discolor, is a striking indoor plant prized for its dark green leaves with silvery patterns and deep purple undersides. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it perfect for indoor spaces without much sunlight. This climbing vine prefers moderate watering and well-draining soil, adapting well to hanging baskets or trellises. Its unique foliage adds a dramatic touch to any room, while being relatively low maintenance, making it ideal for indoor plant enthusiasts looking for a visually stunning addition. Peace lily, Spathiphyllum vallesi, is an elegant indoor plant known for its glossy green leaves and graceful white blooms. It thrives in low to moderate light, making it perfect for indoor spaces with limited sunlight. This low-maintenance plant prefers consistently moist soil but can tolerate occasional drying. Beyond its beauty, the peace lily also helps purify indoor air. Ideal for homes and offices, it adds a touch of serenity while being easy to care for, making it a favorite among indoor plant lovers. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, is a hardy indoor plant renowned for its upright, sword-like leaves with striking green patterns. It thrives in low to bright indirect light, making it perfect for spaces with minimal sunlight. Extremely low maintenance, it requires infrequent watering and tolerates neglect, making it ideal for busy plant owners. Besides its architectural beauty, it also purifies indoor air. Its resilience and unique appearance make the snake plant a popular choice for enhancing indoor decor effortlessly. Caladium is a vibrant indoor plant admired for its heart-shaped leaves in striking shades of red, pink, white, and green. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it suitable for indoor spaces with limited sunlight. Preferring consistently moist soil and high humidity, it adds a splash of color to any room. While low maintenance, it does best in warm, sheltered spots. Perfect for brightening corners or tabletops, Caladium is an excellent choice for indoor gardeners seeking colorful, eye-catching foliage. Rattlesnake Calathea, Calathea lancifolia, is a stunning indoor plant known for its long, wavy leaves with dark green spots and deep purple undersides. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it ideal for indoor spaces without direct sunlight. Preferring consistently moist soil and high humidity, it adds a dramatic and tropical touch to any room. Low maintenance yet visually striking, the Rattlesnake Calathea is perfect for plant lovers seeking an air-purifying and decorative indoor companion. Prayer plant Marantha leuconeura is a charming indoor plant celebrated for its oval leaves with striking patterns that fold upward at night, resembling hands in prayer. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it perfect for indoor spaces with limited sunlight. Preferring consistently moist soil and moderate humidity, it is relatively low maintenance. Its unique leaf movements and vibrant foliage bring life and character to any room, making the prayer plant an ideal choice for adding both beauty and a touch of wonder to indoor spaces. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata, is a lush indoor plant known for its feathery, arching fronds that add a soft, elegant touch to any space. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it suitable for indoor areas with limited sunlight. Preferring consistently moist soil and high humidity, it is relatively easy to care for with occasional misting. Ideal for hanging baskets or tabletops, the Boston fern brings a refreshing, natural vibe indoors while being a low-maintenance, decorative green companion. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is a resilient indoor plant known for its glossy, dark green leaves and upright growth. It thrives in low to bright indirect light, making it perfect for spaces with minimal sunlight. Extremely low maintenance, it requires infrequent watering and tolerates neglect, making it ideal for busy plant owners. Its striking foliage adds a modern, elegant touch to any room while also purifying the air. The ZZ plant is a durable, stylish choice for indoor plant enthusiasts seeking hassle-free greenery. Dump cane, Dieffenbachia, is a popular indoor plant recognized for its large, variegated leaves with striking patterns of green and cream. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it suitable for indoor spaces with limited sunlight. This low-maintenance plant prefers consistently moist soil but can tolerate occasional drying. Its bold foliage adds a tropical and decorative touch to any room. Ideal for homes and offices, the dump cane brings beauty and elegance indoors, though care should be taken as its sap can be toxic if ingested. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum, is a versatile indoor plant known for its arching green leaves with white stripes and its small, dangling spiderets. It thrives in low to bright indirect light, making it perfect for indoor spaces with limited sunlight. Easy to care for, it requires moderate watering and adapts well to different indoor conditions. Spider plants are excellent air purifiers and propagate easily, making them ideal for beginners. Their lively foliage adds a fresh, decorative touch to any room. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is a hardy indoor plant prized for its attractive, variegated leaves in shades of green, silver, and sometimes red. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it ideal for indoor spaces with limited sunlight. Low maintenance and tolerant of occasional neglect, it prefers moderately moist soil and warm conditions. Beyond its striking foliage, the Chinese evergreen also helps purify indoor air. Its resilience and decorative appeal make it a favorite choice for adding beauty and greenery to homes or offices. Anthurium is a stunning indoor plant known for its glossy, heart-shaped leaves and vibrant, long-lasting flowers in shades of red, pink, or white. It thrives in low to medium indirect light, making it suitable for indoor spaces without direct sunlight. Preferring well-draining soil and moderate watering, it adds both color and elegance to any room. Beyond its ornamental beauty, the anthurium also helps purify indoor air. Its striking appearance and low-maintenance nature make it a popular choice for indoor plant enthusiasts.